This character means wisdom. You'll see it in words like philosophy or wise person. But its shape tells a story of how wisdom is formed. Let's break it down. At the top, there's a symbol related to bending or folding. It comes from a character that means to evaluate, to adjust, or even to break something down. It's not destruction, it's analysis. Careful thought. Below that, you'll find the symbol for mouth. This represents speaking, the act of sharing ideas out loud. So when you combine the two, you get speech that has been processed, thought that has been shaped before it's expressed. This is what turns knowledge into wisdom, not just what you say, but the thinking that happens before you say it. It's a quiet kind of intelligence, one that values clarity over speed, not just knowing, but understanding deeply before speaking clearly. That's the heart of this character. If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.